Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor one on 2007 Kia Sportage. Its code number is P0130 oxygen sensor circuit bank 1 sensor one. Okay, let's start it guys. It's a tool that we require to the oxygen sensor. This one for oxygen sensor remove tool, any extension, adapter, and a screwdriver number 12mm. That's it. Okay, let's start guys. Here's the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor one location under the cover in here. Let me remove the covers out. Let's start it guys. I already cracked loose it, so it's not hard to. Yeah, just crack loose it. The exhaust heat shield here, it's not necessary to remove it, but I just want to remove to show you like easy. Just remove it. It's number 12mm bolt screw. Remove it. The two one on the bottom, I thought it's broken. This is good now. So let me show you where the oxygen sensor located. You can see it. It's a bank 1 sensor one up screen. Okay, so let me find a place to put. Just unplug the oxygen sensor. Here you go. Here's the oxygen sensor tool, just put it in here. Just you remove the cover a little bit easy. Come out. Here, let me bring this oxygen sensor. It's the old one. Let me bring the old one. I use the Denso oxygen sensor. It's a brand new one, very high quality. I got from international auto part for the oxygen sensor. Oh, I already put the grease in here, so I only put this. Okay, let's start install it guys. Very simple. Let me hold the camera in place. Cannot find a good place to put it. Can you see it? Yeah, just install it back. And after this video, I'm gonna show you one more how to change the transmission fluid on that car. This car they have two codes. One more code is a transmission control system. But I asked the customer too, she never changed the transmission fluid before, so do the fluid first. Okay, just put it and time it. You guys can see clearly. Okay, this one a little bit up. Okay, don't forget to plug the oxygen sensor plug back in. Okay, let me plug it. Đúng không? Mẹ just wait me a little bit. Let me plug it in a little bit. You just plug it and put the cover back in and clear the code. Should be good to go, and let's see what's going on it. Okay, it's a next step. Just put the cover, okay, the hitch here. We need to put a new washer for it, so don't need. Just put one washer on the top to hold it. One, it's two on the top. And two more screw guys, so, and two more, one on the bottom. Okay, this one is all set right now. If you guys have any question on it, just let me know. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.